AE16 GPS Drone, professional-grade aerial photography with 8K dual cameras and 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance. The AE16 GPS Drone is a high-performance quadcopter designed for capturing stunning aerial photos and videos. Featuring 8K dual cameras, 5G Wi-Fi transmission, 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance, and intelligent GPS features, the AE16 delivers a professional-grade flight experience for both enthusiasts and experienced pilots. Key features: 8K HD dual camera system. Capture incredibly detailed aerial footage with the quad camera image system, delivering 8K HD image quality. 5G Wi-Fi high-frequency cloud transmission. Enjoy real-time, lag-free video transmission with 5G Wi-Fi, providing a smooth and clear FPV experience. Mechanical self-stabilizing gimbal and EIS anti-shake. Capture stable and smooth footage with the mechanical self-stabilizing gimbal and EIS, electronic image stabilization, anti-shake technology. 140 degrees super wide-angle and 90 degrees escape camera. Capture expansive landscapes and adjust camera angles remotely with the 140 degrees super wide-angle lens and 90 degrees escape, electronic speed control, camera. 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance. Fly with confidence knowing that the drone is equipped with 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance, automatically detecting and avoiding obstacles. GPS positioning system. Experience precise flight control and intelligent features like intelligent return, low power return, lost return, set surround flight, trajectory flight, and intelligent follow the flight. Optical flow hovering. Achieve stable and precise hovering with optical flow technology, ensuring smooth and steady flight. Foldable and portable design. The drone's foldable design makes it compact and easy to transport, perfect for taking on your adventures. Brushless motor. Enjoy powerful and efficient flight performance with the low-noise brushless motor, providing strong wind resistance and stable flight. Large capacity modular battery. Experience extended flight times with the large capacity modular battery, featuring intelligent energy saving and easy replacement. Dual camera switching. Effortlessly switch between the front and bottom cameras to capture diverse perspectives. Gesture photography. A video. Capture photos and videos with simple hand gestures. MV recording and sharing. Easily create and share cinematic videos with the MV recording and sharing feature. Omnidirectional LED lights. Enhance visibility during flight with the omnidirectional LED lights. Specifications: camera resolution 8K HD dual camera, transmission 5G Wi-Fi, gimbal mechanical self-stabilizing, obstacle avoidance 360 degrees laser, positioning GPS, motor brushless 7.4V GB1503, battery 7.4V 3000 mAh. Flight time 25 minutes. Charging time 80 minutes. Control distance 1000 meters. APP VS-GPS PRO, iOS 8.0, Android 7.0. Folded size 13.5 by 16.5 by 9.5 centimeters. Unfolded size 27.5 by 30 by 9.5 centimeters. Drone weight with battery 232 grams. Package contents: AE16 drone, remote controller, aircraft manual, APP manual, screwdriver, 8 spare propellers. For propeller screws, USB charging cable, obstacle avoider, Overall, the AE16 GPS drone is a high-performance quadcopter that offers a professional-grade aerial photography experience. Its 8K dual cameras, 360 degrees laser obstacle avoidance, and intelligent GPS features make it a great choice for capturing stunning aerials.